Hi everyone, welcome to Wild Flora. On this channel, I share my life as a mom who loves to knit, crochet, cook, and garden. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through my garden. I'm going to be harvesting a couple of different herbs. I've got lavender, oregano, mint, and rosemary. I'm going to be using all of them, but the lavender for cooking. The lavender is going to be more for aromatics. I'll probably put it in a bouquet. My favorite herb, hands down, is oregano. It just smells so earthy and it takes me back to my childhood. It's the ultimate Mexican herb and I love putting it in my soups. Surprisingly, when we moved into this property, we had an overabundance of it. I mean, we have an entire hillside of just oregano and it grows wild all over the property. It's honestly super amazing and I'm super lucky to have not had to even plant it. When I started researching on how to dry herbs, it was honestly pretty simple, but I think because of how simple it was, I started to overcomplicate it. I thought, what if they get moldy, or what if it's too humid and it just doesn't go right? If it doesn't work out, I can try it again. I mean, I do have an entire hillside of oregano, right? So the steps for doing this, if you have your own garden and you've got herbs and maybe you're a little nervous to try it out, this is your nudge to do it. So the first thing is you pick the herbs, preferably early in the morning when the last bit of dew is on the grass. Then you can rinse them if you're going to be cooking with them. For herbs that are going to be going in bouquets, you really don't need to wash them unless you're going to be using them for skincare products. Then afterwards, you let it air dry outside for about an hour. I wouldn't put it in extreme sunlight, but somewhere where you're going to get a little bit of airflow, and that'll help dry them up because you don't want to hang them when they're still wet. It'll definitely cause mold. Then after that, you're going to bundle them up. Place them upside down in a dark, cool place that gets airflow. That could be inside the house. If you live in a high humidity area like me in North Carolina, I would definitely not put them outside. And if you're like me, don't be discouraged. You can try as many times as you want until you finally get the product right. I hope you have a great day and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.